Claude AI is one of the most powerful tools out here right now. You can actually use it to build things that people will pay for, real digital products, real income, real systems that work even when you're not working. I've been using Claude to build digital products, write sales pages, create marketing content, and automate parts of my business. And in this video, I'm going to show you 4 practical ways you can use Claude AI to do the same. These are strategies built around creating products people are willing to pay for, even if you're starting with little experience or a small budget. And if you'd like to follow along, I've included a free AI business system blueprint in the description. It walks you through the process of planning, building, and selling your first digital product with AI. And if you're ready to take action, you can also join my challenge, which is called Launch Your First Digital Product in 30 Days Using AI. And throughout the challenge, I'll guide you step by step as you create, launch, and start selling your own digital product. You'll find the link in the description. So now let's get into the 4 ways. The first way to make money with Claude AI is by creating digital planners. I know a planner doesn't sound like the most exciting product in the world, but don't underestimate it. People buy planners because they solve a problem they deal with every day and also help them stay organized. Whether it's planning a trip, managing a budget, organizing a business, or preparing for an exam, people are always looking for simple tools that help them save time and reduce stress. That's exactly what makes digital planners such a great product to sell. My own planner is called Kenya Travel Made Simple, and it's designed for people visiting Kenya for the first time. So instead of spending hours searching through blogs and YouTube videos, they get everything they need in one place. That is from visa information and safari planning to accommodation, packing lists, travel tips, and ready-made itineraries. Claude made the creation process much faster. I asked Claude to help me organize the planner first. Once the outline was ready, I worked through each section, adding my own knowledge and experience, while Claude helped turn those ideas into clear, well-structured content. After the writing was finished, I designed the planner in Canva Pro, exported it as a PDF, and uploaded it to PayHip so that customers could purchase and download it automatically. The final step was getting people to see it, and for that, I used Pinterest because it's a platform where people actively search for travel inspiration and planning ideas. I create pins that link back to my sales page, and those pins continue bringing in visitors long after they've been published. What I like most about this business model is that the work happens up front. You create the planner once, improve it over time if needed, and then focus on getting more people to discover it. Every new visitor is another opportunity to make a sale without having to recreate the product from scratch. And the best part is, this idea isn't limited to travel. You could create a wedding planner, a meal planner, a student planner, a content planner, a budget planner, a fitness planner, or even a planner for a specific profession or hobby. The opportunities are almost endless because every niche has people looking for better ways to stay organized. So if you're wondering where to start with Claude AI, digital planners are one of the easiest and most practical products you can build. They are useful, easy to deliver digitally, and can continue generating sales long after you finish creating them. The second way to make money with Claude AI is by creating spreadsheet templates. Now I know spreadsheets don't sound exciting, but they solve real problems. People use them every day to manage their finances, plan projects, organize their business, schedule content, track habits, and much more. Many people are happy to pay for a ready-made template that saves them time. If you browse through Etsy, you will see this for yourself. Budget trackers and business expense trackers all have thousands of sales. They are simple products, but they're incredibly useful. Claude makes creating these templates much easier. Start by choosing one specific problem to solve. Instead of creating a general budget tracker, think about who it's for. It could be a monthly budget planner for a freelancer, a content calendar for a YouTuber, or a business tracker for a small business owner. The more specific your template is, the easier it is for the right customer to see its value. Once you've chosen your idea, describe it to Claude, explain what the spreadsheet should do, what information it should track, and any formulas or calculations it could include. Claude can help you build the structure, suggest formulas, and even troubleshoot everything that isn't working as expected. You can customize the design in Google Sheets, Excel, or Canva by adding colors, headings, icons, and branding to give it a clean, professional look. When your template is ready, list it on Etsy with clear screenshots, a descriptive title, and a detailed product description, and Claude can help you write your listing, suggest keywords, and create a description that's easy for buyers to understand. Whether it's budgeting, productivity, fitness education, or business, there are countless opportunities to create spreadsheet templates. And with Claude handling much of the heavy lifting, you can spend less time building formulas and more time creating products that people are happy to buy. The third way to make money with Claude AI is by publishing ebooks. Now I know ebooks might sound like an outdated idea, but they are still a huge market. If you create a book that answers a specific need, there is already an audience searching for it. Instead of writing a general book about fitness, budgeting, or productivity, focus on a specific group of people with a specific goal. This is where Claude becomes incredibly useful. When I have an idea, I use Claude to brainstorm different angles, refine the topic, and build a detailed outline before I start writing. I then work through the book one chapter at a time. I combine my own knowledge and experience with Claude's ability to organize ideas. Rather than asking AI to write an entire book, I treat it like a collaborative writing partner and review each chapter before moving on. Once the manuscript is finished, it's simply a matter of formatting it for Kindle and publishing it through Amazon KDP. Claude can help with the book description, keywords, and other marketing copy needed for the listing. One of the things I like most about ebooks is that they build on each other. Every new title you publish becomes another asset in your catalog, giving readers more ways to discover your work and creating additional opportunities to earn royalties over time. So if you already have knowledge people are willing to learn from, turning it into an ebook is one of the simplest ways to create a digital product with Claude AI and reach customers around the world through Amazon. The fourth way to make money with Claude AI is by building AI-powered web apps. Now, before you think that you're not a developer and that this is not for you, let me tell you something. I'm not a software developer either, but with Claude's help, I was able to build an application that people can access online, subscribe to, and use it to solve a real problem. The app is called KDP Book4 AI. Inside the app, users can research book ideas, generate outlines, draft chapters, estimate royalties, and keep track of their publishing progress. I didn't start by writing code. I started by writing down what I wanted the app to do. I described each feature in plain English, how it should work, what information users would enter, and what results they should receive. Claude then helped me turn those ideas into working code that I could test in my browser. What I found interesting was that I didn't need to understand every line of code. My job was to explain the outcome I wanted and test the results. Claude handled most of the technical work while I focused on improving the user experience. Once the app was working, I connected it to Stripe so that customers could subscribe online. I also automated email delivery so that new users receive their access details immediately after. Then I deployed the app so that it could be accessed from anywhere. That's what makes this business model so exciting. Unlike a PDF or spreadsheet, an AI-powered app gives people an interactive experience. You can continue adding new features, improve the product over time, and even offer subscription plans that generate recurring revenue instead of relying on one-time payment. I know this might sound like the most advanced idea in this video, but it's becoming much more accessible and thanks to tools like Claude AI. So if you have an idea for solving a problem online, you no longer need to be an experienced programmer to start building. You just need a clear vision, a willingness to test and improve your product, and the patience to keep refining it until it works. For anyone thinking about creating higher value digital products, AI-powered apps are definitely worth exploring. So now at this point, you might be wondering, where do I actually start? And my advice is simple. Start with what you already know. You don't need to become an expert in something new. Think about the knowledge or experience you already have and turn it into a product that helps others. If you have a useful knowledge about a place, a hobby, or a specific topic, start with a planner or a guide. If you enjoy writing and want to reach readers around the world, publish an ebook. If you're good at organizing information or creating systems, build spreadsheet templates. And if you're ready for a bigger project, an AI-powered app can be a great long-term goal. The important thing isn't choosing the perfect product, it's creating your first one. Every product you create builds your confidence and improves your skills. And if you'd like some guidance along the way, I'd love to help you. You can join my Launch Your First Digital Product in 30 Days Using AI challenge, where I'll walk you through the entire process from choosing your idea and building your product with AI to launching it and making your first sale. And if that sounds like something you'd like to be part of, you'll find the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.